Happy fall, everyone, and welcome to VLADA'S place. We're trying Trader Joe's pumpkin bread with few additions. Instead of following the recipe on the box, we are turning this into a pumpkin apple cake. Besides fresh apples, we will also be using some pumpkin. You can find detailed recipe below this video, but for now we just want to show you the steps that we have taken and how this cake should turn out. Besides adding apples and pumpkin to it, we will also substitute oil with the butter. We're going with about 4 apples, finely cubed, out of which only 1 will go inside the mix. The other 3 will be used to create a topping for this particular cake. And we are not too particular about which apples to go with. I would suggest just to shop whatever is on a sale. After apples, we want to add a few more ingredients which are not included on a box recipe. We're going with a touch of vanilla, a little extra cinnamon, and about a tablespoon of molasses. For topping, we're going with 3 cubed apples, a touch of nutmeg, a little bit of ginger, just for taste, a touch of allspice, and again, a little bit of vanilla. All that's left is about 2.5 tablespoons of butter and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Let apples cook for about 5 to 7 minutes before setting them in a baking pan. Now let's add the cake mixture. And as we pour this, you can see that this is a very dense and very thick mixture. The consistency is rather heavy. Bake it on 350 for about 45 minutes or until the middle part is nice and firm. Once done, allow enough time for the cake to cool off before you serve it. Ideally, you would like to leave it in the fridge overnight and serve it the next day. I should have mentioned that this is a gluten-free pumpkin bread. And while we started with that idea, at the end, we actually end up creating a gluten-free pumpkin cake. It is absolutely addicting. The first day we served it with the ice cream, and today we're serving it with the whipped cream. Definitely a thumbs up to this gluten-free pumpkin bread and muffin mix. With holiday season ahead of us, I just want to remind you all to spend as much as time with your loved ones and your family. My name is VLADA, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.